What's up, Kick Fam? Alex here, and today we got a new unboxing. If you like the unboxing videos that we do, please make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Keep in mind that once we hit 100 subscribers, we will be doing a $100 Nike gift card giveaway. So please, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscription so that you will be eligible for that $100 Nike gift card giveaway. Let's get into it. So we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. As you can tell from the title, these are the New Balance 997H. The colorway is listed as Incense with TidePool. So I did get these for $89.99 from newbalance.com. And yeah, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. Also, go ahead and leave a comment down below if you like the other style of the unboxing that I did better, where it was more like a B-roll sequence, or if you like this style better with the top-down shot where we unbox. The first unboxing I did was of the Air Max 90 Lime, and we did that in this same style. And then the second unboxing that we did was of the Reebok, or excuse me, the Adidas Americana High, and we did that more like a B-roll sequence. So definitely comment down below which style you like better. So yeah, just a standard box from New Balance. Got the New Balance tape on there. Any shoe company sending out shoes, I feel like you shouldn't put this branding tape, because anybody sees that sitting on your porch, it's just high chance that someone could try and steal your package. But we'll take this box out. Got a gray New Balance box. Got an invoice here. This graphic, it says "Follow no one." And yeah, just very basic gray New Balance box. Got your size right there, 13. And let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe. Got your paper, it says "Fearlessly Independent since 1906. And there's our first look at the shoe. Now, the reason I went with these is because it does have like these neutral color, and on the midsole it has that speckled color that matches with the hits of like that, almost like a vault in that blue, which I guess is what they're calling TidePool. Very dope, very basic with just the right accents that make it pop. That's something that I definitely love in shoes. It came with these blue and green laces laced up, and then it came with laces that are also more like the other portion of the shoe, that's that brown as well as green. I do think that the end swoosh on these is 3M. I believe that it is reflective, so that's also a nice little detail. This is the first pair of New Balance that I've actually owned, so I will be doing more of an actual comprehensive review coming soon, but I will definitely give a quick look at these and get some better footage once we complete the unboxing. All right, and there's the other shoe. Yeah, you can see on the, kind of hard to see there, but if you look at the insole, it says New Balance 997H. And right there we got the tongue. See if we can get that in focus. 997H. But yeah, all around these are really cool. Materials on these are cool, but I just love like the accents of color. I feel like that makes these really, really awesome. I will, like I said, get into a more comprehensive review once I've actually worn these and I can have these on foot for a little while. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into some additional looks of the shoe.